We are the group Laben-gineers. Veronica de Fuente,
Zibran Chaus.
Ruchika Jingar,
and we are presenting our final project. Our task was to create a GUI for the game Sudoku, which the user can interact with and play on. Sudoku is a game in which the player must fill a 9x9 grid with the numbers from 1 to 9. The grid consists of 9 subgrids.
This is our completed Sudoku puzzle. It has 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. While hitting the check, you can find what the errors in the puzzle are. By hitting the solve button, it solves the puzzle. To make the 81 squares needed for Sudoku, 81 text boxes are used. Levels and checks and the solve buttons are made with the push button. This is the finished product after editing colors and the font and
Our first task was to find a way to generate a complete Sudoku puzzle. We hope to write our own code and not use one from online. Our spacer function does not fully generate a random Sudoku, but instead a pseudo-random one. The spacer function also randomly selects boxes to be left blank for the user to solve. The spacer function involves 2 global variables, m and c, m being the unsolved puzzle and c the solved puzzle. Then onto our GUI function, we scroll down to the different level function. In the first level function being easy, we call the global variable m, and then using the spacer function hide 45 spaces.
Additional details were discovered that help make the game more authentic and user-friendly. These include the enable string in the set function, which either locks the box, meaning the user cannot edit what is in the box, or unlocks the box due to the spacer function hiding the number in that space. The box background colors were set to white so that when the user checks a puzzle and starts a new one, no red boxes are left on the board.
For medium and hard, we increased the amount of boxes that were hidden to provide a greater challenge to the user. The checker button uses the solve Sudoku in the spacer function and compares the values to the user's input.
If the user input does not match the values in the solved puzzle, then an error is detected. To check all test cases, we made sure invalid inputs show up as errors as well, such as letters. This was achieved using the background color string in the set function.
The solve button displays the solve Sudoku from the spacer function, and by hitting the solve button, the Sudoku puzzle is completed.